Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to rotate text here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Rotating text in Canva is a straightforward process. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to open the project or design that you are working with. If you haven't already, just select the template section, wherein you can start using business template, social media template, education, video, marketing, print products, cards, and invitations. Or if you have already a design in your mind, just click the create and design option. In my case, I'm going to upload a certain file. Okay, and then I'm going to add a text. Now, you can simply go to the text section here or go to elements and type in text, depending on your preferences. You can select the add a text box, or you can select from these font styles that you wanted. For now, let's click the add a text box. Now, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so you guys can see it. Now, here's the text box, right? Going to create an effect, maybe a different one, say, for example, this one. Now, for you to be able to rotate, okay, there's no option here that says rotate, right? Nothing. Instead, you see this circular button. You have to click that and rotate it to like 180 clockwise or 180 counterclockwise. Or you can rotate it like a full 360. So that's your options here in Canva. Okay. You see, when you rotate, it says a value, 13 degree, 90 degree, minus 50, 54. Okay. Now, you can also do the same here on the text. For example, this one right here. I'm gonna make it like 50 and put the text. Similarly to the option earlier, all I'm gonna do now is rotate to whatever you prefer the position. Okay. Now, you might want to click on the maximize to check if your design blends perfectly well, because rotating text can help achieve symmetry in the design or even purposeful asymmetry for any artistic impact. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.